EDO 2020. Plenty EDO women don comot for APC enter PDP to go join Governor Obaseki for the party. Unto say Governor Obaseki don become PDP member since he comot for APC, 900s of women for Igara, Ososo, Uneme, Ekpedo, Ikpeshi and the 10 wards wey dey Akoko Edo local government area don take dump APC join PDP, and this one happen for the women wing of PDP campaign council. These towns and villages na beneficiaries of the plenty work wey Governor Obaseki administration don do on top road projects, school renovation, welfare and human capacity development. For all these women, the matter don pass politics, but na wetin person do and how e take change people lives na concern them. This pikin wey una dey see so na Igara e dey, and e get point for Governor Obaseki.
Have you forgotten the meaning of your name? Can any godfather or crafty old man ever defeat God? It is absolutely no. So begin to rejoice, for you have won again.
I work in General Hospital at Benin, from Benin to Igara here. Then I retired. Since I retired, before 21-22, we get our salary. What this man is doing for especially hospital workers, I never see governor like that.
Many of us, we don't even know what is bank account. But he brought out C4, that you are in your house, they will register you. They will make you to have bank account. You'll be receiving money.
For Ososo wey dey the same local government area, na big celebration happen as both women and youths na dump APC waka enter PDP as dem burn their broom wey be symbol of APC and their party cards. For all these people, this one mark the beginning of new order where politicians go for stand for truth and work for the development of their people wey dem dey represent, because the old order don't end.
They chased us out of the party, but a great party made umbrellas available for us. It was raining, the umbrellas protected us. And then they led us into a very big family.
We have become for so many reasons. Because in PDP, there is no fashion. In PDP, there is unity. In PDP, there is love. In PDP, there is likeness. They don't discriminate. There is love in sharing and everything. Unlike the APC, where some leaders were jack materials without giving to others.
This one are the ogbonge informator who carry come give una on top inside Edo today. As plenty Edo women don comot for APC enter PDP to join Governor Obaseki. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry this ogbonge update come give una. My name na Edo Edolei.